Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a bucket server. I showed you how to get a normal server that's not really a bucket. I was trying to fix fraps. Sorry about that. So, in my other videos I showed you how to get a normal server. Now I'm going to show you how to get a bucket server, which, the difference between a normal server, which is aka vanilla server, a bucket server lets you have plugins. If you don't know what plugins are, it's basically mods. If you know what mods are, they're modifications. So yeah. So the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and type in bukkit.org. Okay. So as you see, this should be the website. Okay. So what you're looking to download is Craft Bucket, which is got Craft Bucket right here. Right here. So click it. It's gonna be really small writing. You can barely read it. This is Windows right here. This is Linux, and this is Mac. But I have a Windows, and there's this blue link right here. Click on it, and it gives me Craft Bucket. And right now that isn't downloaded or updated, or yeah, it isn't updated. So if I were you, I would go to YouTube and do it. So yeah, once you do download it, I'm just gonna copy the one I have. Where is it? Right here. Copy. Okay, so before you put it anywhere, you want to create a new folder and name it like server, whatever you want to name it, that you'll remember what it is. Okay. So then you want to put it in it, right there, and yours will be named something else like craftbucket.v or v.5 or 1.5.2, which will say your version and all this other stuff like R3 and all that. So you want to rename it to just Craft Bucket. Okay, and so now you just have it in here. So what you want to do is you want to double click it, and it should load, and it should put all of these files in here with plugins world, bands, apps, everything. So the first thing you want to do is, there's two ways to app yourself. One is having the run thing, but we don't have that yet. So the first thing you want to do is probably app yourself. So open the apps folder and just type in your name. You don't really need to put in anyone else's name because you can do that in game now. So for your server properties, what you're gonna want to run good servers, you want groups and everything. You're gonna want to have Notepad++, which will not be in the description. Sorry, but you're gonna have to find that on your own. So here it is. Open it with Notepad++, and it should pop up like this. Okay, so you see all this stuff is easy to use. Max players, I did how many players you want, so I'll just do 20. Spawn monsters, giant structures like NPV villages. Don't mess with the view distance because I think that just messes it up. I'm not sure. And here, the MOTD is kind of like, you know how servers have before you join them, you go on the multiplayer thing and there's something there. Try to think of it. Anyways, this is it. So you do YouTube. I'll just say my server IP. Yeah, you definitely want the server IP. If you have a different port than this, change it. Okay. Allow flight, false, unless you want them to be able to fly. Game mode, that's I don't know what that is actually. Because because I mean there's a game mode down here, but I don't know what that is. If you want, you can experiment with it, but don't blame me if it gets messed up. So let's just make this bigger. Okay, so now you don't have any plugins, and you want plugins, right? So you want to open up your web browser. You shouldn't have closed out, but I did, unfortunately. You want to go to, again, bukkit.org. This is the one you definitely want to go to for plugins. They have like almost every single plugin. Because this is like, so get plugins. So now you see all these things are like plugins, all this stuff. These are the plugins. So you can look around at these different things. You can search for things. So like let's do let's go to fun. This is just like, yeah. And let's do which one should we do? Let's go toward the back. Try and look for an easy one. Let's just do random jokes. This is kind of a cool one. Looks like. Download right here. It's always on the top right. The download is. So I'll keep. I'll show up the folder. So here it is, random jokes. So here's the plugin folder. You just want to take random jokes, put it in, and you are done. And if you want to like configure it, you know, it's like change it to be like different jokes. First you want to run the server, but you might be wondering, how do you run the server? Well, this is how you do it. Let's hope I didn't exit out. No, I didn't. Okay, that's good. Let's go back. Okay, so you want to be at the home page of Bukkit. You want to click Get Craft Bukkit again. This is important. And so you go to like your thing, again, Windows is mine, and you see this thing around this like dotted line box. It has like Java and all this stuff. You want to highlight it, copy it, and then create a new text document. Right here, and just name it run.bat. Well, it can, oh no, just do run, okay, or whatever you really want to name it. So name it whatever you want that you'll remember that you're going to use to run the server. So once you have it, you do file, save as, run, then this is where you do .bat. I think it has to be all capitals, I'm not sure. So save. You can exit out of this, and here it is right here. So you can delete the text document that's named run. So I just have this one. Open it up, and please work. No, it won't work because you need like different certain file things. You can get them from YouTube. Do like how to create a run.bat folder, something like that. So once you do get it going and all that, and it's not gonna let me delete it, unfortunately, your server thing will start to look like this, with all these band players and plugins. Like I have all these plugins. Later on I might make a video of how, like, just a plugin folder thing, so you can just download the plugins I have and have the ranks I have and all that. So anyway, that's it. So you want to run it. Well, unfortunately it's not working for me right now. But it will work, and it will look kinda like... I hope this doesn't give you guys any information about my computer. No, it won't. So it'll look like this, and yeah. That's pretty much it. And then you can like do commands in it and all that. And then the MOTD is like this, so it says like Minecraft, or MC War Z, Daisy in Minecraft. Yeah, it'll look like that. Well, anyways, that's how you create a bucket server. Wait for another video if you want, I guess. I don't know if I will, but I might just put like this one on YouTube for you guys to download if you want. So, yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe.